Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you are fine and happy. Welcome to Pakistan School Muscat. My dear student, this is your social study class grade 2. I am your teacher Miss Lubna Ashraf with you. Dear student, we have done yesterday lesson number 7 clothes. Now today start the new lesson number 8 building houses. In this lesson we learn about what is a house and different types of houses and which things are needed for building houses. You can see here, first of all we discuss about what is a house. A house is a place where people can live with their family members and keep their things safely. You can see here in this picture different types of houses. Some people live in a big house, some people live in a small house, and some people live in a story house or flats. Now everyone take out your books. Book page number 40. Today date is September 27, 2021 and day is Monday. Everyone read after with me. Lesson number 8 building houses. People all over the world live in houses. A house is a place where a family can live together. It is a place where people can keep their things safely. A house keeps us warm when it is cold outside and cool when it is warm outside. When it rains, a house keeps us dry. Now students, you can see here the different types of houses. You can see first picture a block of flats. In daily life we observe that these types of houses mostly in the big cities or big cities. And village huts, these are the mud houses or small houses in the village area. And you can see here third picture an under construction double-story house. This is incomplete house under construction. Okay, now let's start the reading. Small houses have only 1 or 2 rooms, but big houses have more. In small houses only 1 and 2 rooms, in big houses more than 2. They may have a drawing room. In big houses they may have a drawing room, a dining room. Drawing room means sitting room. A dining room means meal room or food area, bedrooms, bathrooms and a kitchen. Some houses also have a garden. In big houses also have a garden. Have you seen how houses and buildings are made? Yes, any student tell us, have you seen how houses and buildings are made? Now let's start the next page. Things are used in building the houses. Building materials. Now everyone underline the difficult words. What is this word? Materials. Building materials. Houses are made of stone, bricks and cement. These are the very important things to make the houses. Many other materials not only use the stone, bricks and cement, any other materials are also used. When a house is built, deep holes are dug for the base Everyone, read after me. When a house is built, what is this word? Built. Deep holes, deep holes are dug for the base, and concrete, what is this word? Concrete is poured into it. What is the concrete? Concrete. Now let's read about the concrete. Concrete is made of very small stone mixed with cement. What is the concrete? Concrete is the material when the house are built, so small stone mixed with the cement. This gives the house a strong foundation. This gives the house a strong foundation. Concrete made the house strong. Iron or steel is used for pillars in the walls. What is the use of the iron and steel? Iron or steel is used for pillars in the walls. When the house are built, so made the pillars in the walls. Pillars, what is the use of the pillar? The pillars hold up the roof. What is the roof? Roof is the upper part of the room or house. Wood. Wood is also used for doors and windows in buildings. Again, read this line. Wood is also used for doors and windows in buildings. Now student, you can see here the picture of these material. First picture is cement. Second picture is stone, small pieces of stone, steel, bricks, clay, wood. These things are very important for building the houses. Now let's start the next paragraph. Builders. Builders. Who is the builder? Builder build the house, make the house. Many people have to build houses. The person who first work on a house is an architect. What is this word? Architect. Who is the architect? An architect designs the house and draws picture of it. Before start the work of the building, an architect design or draw the picture of the house on the paper. Before all the works begins, an architect, again this word, an architect design the new house and draws picture of it. The architect makes a plan which helps other workers to do their jobs. An architect makes a plan. An architect makes the plan which help other worker. Which other workers? Laborer or technician or electrician and other people do their job. Now student, we have done today 2 pages of this lesson, page number 40 and 41. Now everyone do the reading practice and underline the difficult words. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day.